Hi everyone, Gagajoy, and today we're going to try something new. I saw this gentleman and his wife do this on TV, on YouTube, and their kids loved it. It's called bacon chips, and it looked like a real fun thing to do. Now they used a great big pot to do theirs in, and I'm using this so we can see what we're doing. Just start adding the bacon. I cut it in threes. You can overlap each other, it doesn't make any difference. I gotta sell on bacon or I wouldn't be doing this. Bacon is one of those things that's very high anymore. Put a lid on it. From this I will try and save my grease. And I saw another little trick this week. If you turn your grease, I put it in a jar, put the lid on it, turn it upside down, and let it cool till the next day. There is the grease goes, it goes to the top on this one, which will make it go to the bottom on when you turn that. And you can throw that water, the water collects to the top. And there is a little bit of water there. Never knew that one. My mother always called bacon middling meat. They always put up hogs in the fall, and Mom would say, I asked my dad to go out into the salt house and get a middling. Now from that middling she made bacon and gravy, and she liked to season her beans with it. So when I cook bacon, I think of Mama and her middling meat. Well, it's going pretty quick now that they're browning. Let that cool down. Let it cool a little bit, and it becomes very crisp. Well, that was a big video, wasn't it? Bacon crisp. Sometimes you come across a good one. Actually, I do think that's good with the biscuits I made yesterday. Anyway, I'm going to make bacon sandwiches tonight with bacon chips. Why not? It's a pretty day. Go outside and enjoy it. Remember the joy. Take care of yourself. See you soon.